Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video I will show you some of the best watch faces that you can try out for the Halloween. All of these watch faces are absolutely free and available on the Galaxy store. So the first watch face of today's video is this GS Halloween. It has this really cool animation of the pumpkin. You can also further customize this watch face. The further customizations are available, like you can change the color of the time. Next, there are some different styles of pumpkins also available. The styles might not load at the moment, but when you will apply, they will all appear. As you can see over here, now I will randomly select a pumpkin, and if I will select it, as you can see, the new style is now available. So it has this glitch that it might load in the pumpkin options, but once you will apply it, it will work completely fine. There are multiple options of pumpkins to choose from. You can choose whatever you like. I really like this design. You can choose the design you like the most. And this is how the watch face looks like in the always on display mode. So check out this watch face in the Play Store app of your Galaxy Watch, and this is available for free. Now let's move on to the next watch face that is also available for free, and this is with the name of Happy Halloween. This is an analog watch face and it has really cool design in the background. There are no further customizations available with this watch face, so it is just a simple watch face with a cool design in the background. It will also show you the heart rate and the step counter, as well as the battery percentage of your watch. And a scary background is also available with this watch face. So do check out this watch face, as this is also available for free in the Play Store app of your Galaxy Watch. Now let's move on to the next watch face, that is a spooky Halloween. This watch face has really cool animation in the background. Whenever you will turn your watch on or you will go to your watch face, it will show you this cool animation in the background. There are no further customizations available with this watch face, but the animation is really cool in the background. Further, you have some shortcuts of settings and messages also available over here, with the date, time and the day also available with this watch face. And this is how the watch face looks like in the always on display mode. So check out this watch face, as this is also available for free in the Play Store app of your Galaxy Watch. Next up, we have this really cool looking watch face available with the name of Autumn Vibes. So this watch face has a touch of both Halloween and autumn. There are some other further customization options also available with this watch face, like you can change the color of the time. Also, there are some multiple background options to choose from. You can choose the background you like the most. I really like this first background option. You can try it out as well. Further, you can add some shortcuts as well in this watch face. There are multiple shortcut options available. You can choose the one you like. I like the design of this autumn and the pumpkin a lot in this watch face. And this is how the watch face looks like in the always on display mode. So that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the free watch faces that you can try out for the Halloween. All of these watch faces are available for free in the Play Store app of your Galaxy Watch, and if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.